Welcome to the HBP training video on the Sophos UTM user portal. In this video, I will be explaining the different options in the user portal. To begin with, if you're working externally, you need your business's public IP address. If you do not know this, please contact the hardware team on 01724 400 304 or email it@hbp-group.co.uk. Then you need to open an internet browser and type in your address bar https:// then the public IP address :4443. If you're working in the office, you can type https:// gateway:4443. When you log into the user portal, you may have a limited view in comparison to what I have here, dependent on what level of access or features you have. First up is the mail quarantine. You will be able to access this if your UTM manages your email anti-spam. Here will be a list of any emails sent to yourself that have gone into the quarantine. They can be released by selecting the email and clicking the drop-down to apply any of the following actions: download, delete, release and report as false positive. This last option will release the email to your inbox and mark it as a false positive so future emails from the sender aren't quarantined. Secondly is the mail log. You may not have access to this, but if you do, you will be able to view all incoming and outgoing email to your email address from here. This will show all emails that have been allowed, blocked, and quarantined. Next are the sender whitelist and blacklists. Here you can specify email addresses that you would like to allow or deny. To allow an email address, click Send a Whitelist, then click the plus and input the email address, clicking the tick to apply the changes. This is the same for blocking an email address, but you need to click Send a Blacklist instead. Next is the Hotspots section. This is for users that manage the vouchers or tokens for wireless access. Here you can specify which wireless network you'd like to create a voucher for. So for example, here you can see I've selected the guest network, and I want to create one voucher that will last for 3 hours. You can also print the voucher or create a QR code for it. When you click Create Voucher without selecting Print or QR code, it will appear at the bottom and you can give this code to your guest for 3 hours limited access through your guest Wi-Fi. Now we have the Remote Access section. This section you will use to install the SSL VPN client if required. The client is for any users that work out of the office, so they can connect to the work network and gain access to their map drives or remote desktop servers. To install it on a machine, you simply click on the Remote Access tab and click on the first download button. This will download and begin the installation of the SSL VPN client. The other downloads are for the mobile VPN client setup or Mac OS X and Linux. Finally, the last tab is the web filtering section. When you go into this section, you will notice there is only one option. This is for installing the web filtering certificate. You will need to install this on any new machines as it is required for secure web browsing. If this is not installed, users may experience issues accessing HTTPS websites, as it may flag up stating the website is not secure. If you require this installing, but are not sure which options to select when installing, give the hardware team a call on 01724 400 304 or email it@hbp-group.co.uk. And that concludes the HBP training video on the Sophos UTM user portal. If you have any queries or questions, please let the hardware team know. Thank you.